heat the cooking oil and put in with the chili powder. I'm just gonna put it in here and then I don't need to pour it.
Then you need to go for golden color. Okay?
Golden brown.
Yeah. Let me see if my finger is working.
It is working.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook that if I have that thing usually I'm gonna try that and no, I think the way I'm doing is quite healthy. You know, we need to start doing something that like mashed potatoes is very healthy. Yeah. So maybe something the vegetable you bought today, cabbage. I can do like Chinese vinegar cabbage. It's very also tasty.
Oh wow. You have to use a lot of olive oil, isn't it?
Yeah, because of we have nothing into the rice noodle. You need to mix it up, so that is why you need the oil to make it right way to be. So mix up. After that, we put this one. Then we start doing the chicken curry. Right. So also we do the chicken curry.
Oh, slipper.
Yeah. I feel like it's quite cold with the floor.
Yeah, you can use mine.
How
This
about
is
you?
warm. No, use. I have.
So,
I'll get one upstairs for you.
Oh, the white one.
There's white one. There's a pink one in the cupboard. I don't know. What's your size?
Oh, wherever it's at home, wherever.